Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm doing a couple videos today. We're just working on Kyle's car, but this is an E30 M3. You probably know that already, but for those who don't, this one is beautiful. I mean, just looking at it, it says everything. Completely rebuilt engine. This car put down 215 wheel horsepower. It's just got an exhaust, a couple other things, nothing crazy. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, just the door opening, so satisfying. It's so clean. Spectacular. He said, yeah, the rear seats are original, carpet's original, dash is original. Pretty much in the interior, is it a new shift boot and shifter? Yeah. Shift knob?
$350 later.
Ah, it even smells good. Like, it's crazy even just being around it.
It's cops are insane.
Right. So yeah, we'll go for a drive. He said, yeah, well, let me drive it and we'll see. That'd be literally awesome.
Who's gonna hurry up?
Yeah, so if you guys want more BMW content like this, subscribe for more and check out my other videos. Gonna have a lot more like this. Seriously, I just talked to a guy who had a sick Lotus. He said, let me drive, review it. He's also got a Ferrari Testarossa. Gonna make a review on that before he sells it. He's gonna sell it soon, so got a lot of cool stuff coming up. And really hyped. This season's gonna be awesome. Everybody says the same thing, but I've met a lot of cool people lately, and we're gonna do a lot of cool things with this channel, so stay tuned.
Get all my speaker fits in there because my radio don't work.
Just E30 things. I did the same thing. Oh, these seats are tight. I see what you mean.
Yeah. And I'm not a little guy. I used to be. Not no more.
The only thing to be careful of is, I think, down to your left there's a police station, but... It moves for sure. My friend has a M52 swapped E30. And I think this thing gets up and goes just about the same. Sorry, S50. It used to be M52. It went S50, S52. This is like right behind it in power.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, it feels awesome. It sounds good too.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not gonna wow you like certain cars. Like, holy fuck, that's fast.
Right. It's an all-around good car. Of course.
Was I wrong thinking this is what God led me, or did I get involved with something that was we'll never know.
Scary, man. It's not bad. Ooh, the brakes are weird. Stop here. Fuck it. I'm gonna be overly cautious.
No, don't worry, man. We're all good.
It's awesome. I wish there wasn't cars sitting there.
It's all good.
Wow, it goes. It doesn't feel like a 1988.
Right?
Not at all. Not even like the slightest bit. It's so damn smooth. Feels so awesome. I like feel bad getting on it.
No,
It's
dude.
so weird.
Go for it. That's what it's for.
Wow, no, that doesn't feel like it's faster than all my cars. What the hell? I like driving this a lot more than my E46, not gonna lie. Oh, I really like the seats. I'm smaller though, so I fit in them a little better. That feels so good. I love it. Oh my god. It smells good too. It's like, it's the combination of everything. Super awesome. That was an amazing experience.
Yeah, but you definitely got to keep it in the RPM, you know?
Right.
Otherwise, it's really not going to impress you, and it's not that fun. But the car really is made to just keep up in that RPM, and I just don't like whomping on it too much because old parts, man, you know?
Yeah, exactly. I'll get a little more footage for it, and then I'll text my buddies.
Gotta get that screw out of there. You ever take a sunroof off one of these bitches?
Nah. I'm taking it off another BMW. It's a pain in the ass. It smells like a race car.
Yeah, it does.
I miss that smell.
Love that smell. Dude, it ruins your clothes and everything. Something like that the whole day.
So we accidentally brought a BMW to a Subaru meet. Like totally on accident. I actually rolling in pretty deep. But it's getting quite a bit of attention. That's for sure. Do a video on this thing soon too. Meet died down. We got some food at Epic Deli. It was pretty good, but super stoked that I was able to drive this. This is where I'm going to end the video. Hopefully I get enough footage. Mostly spent the time enjoying the drive because it was awesome. But super cool. Subscribe for more. This thing's not going anywhere. This will be on the channel more. He's also got an E46 M3 that's supercharged. Probably get some video of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.